To add image in Canva video template, let's open a video document, choose a video size. From the templates tab here, I'm going to search for invitation templates. Let's select this video template. When we tapped on it, it will ask us whether we want to apply the whole pages or we just want to apply just one. I'll tap on apply the whole. And if you want to add image to this template, let's take our playhead to where we want the image to appear and go into our uploads to bring in our own image. Say we want to add this image to the design. I just tapped it like so, and I will drag it over the place I want it to appear in the design. If I want it here, I can fix it here, but just have to go to position here and come over to layers to see where your image dropped, to know how to position your image where you want it to appear properly. So our image drops in the background. Let's pull it up and see where it can appear. You're seeing everything in your video. You can decide where you want it to appear. You see, I have placed it here and it replaced the whole thing. I'm going to move it down. But if I want to use this image to replace the video here, I'm going to take out the image and go back into my uploads tab and just hold the image and drag it to replace this. You see, that way I replace the original image that is in the video template.